arrives at night. A little train coming into sight. Toot, 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 toot.
Chug, 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 down the track. Stars above and moonlight back. Lanterns glow and windows gleam. Puffing clouds in every dream.
In coach number 1, there's a sheep in bed, wearing woolly socks of blue and red. The train now stops, the stars still glow.
Goodbye, dear sheep, it's time to go.
In coach number 2, the duck sits tight, waving his wings in soft moonlight. He quacks a thanks, then hops below. Goodbye, duck friend, go with the flow.
Coach number 3 has the laughing pig. She gives a twirl in her sleepy wig. She skips off laughing, dreams in tow. Goodbye, piggy, through dreams you go.
In coach number 4, the cat says meow. Stretching her legs, she jumps out now. Her tail sways soft in the moonlight's glow.
Goodbye, sweet cat, to sleep you go.
Now elephant snores in coach 5 wide, but wakes and grins from side to side. He lifts his trunk with a gentle blow.
Goodbye, big friend,
Enjoy the snow.
The frog in sick shuts his bedtime book. He leaps outside with one last look. He waves his hand so calm and slow. Goodbye, frog,
To dreams you row. In coach number 7, giraffe stands tall. She ducks her head to leave the hall. With teacup raised, she bows just so.
goodbye, giraffe.
Soft winds will blow. In number 8, the bear plays light. One last tune in the silver night. He hums a note, then walks below.
Goodbye, dear bear.
Let music flow. Toot toot, now train is bare. No animals left, just moonlit air. Clickety clack, so soft, so slight. The little train hums through the night. Toot toot, all aboard. Another night, another chord.
wow.
Snuggle in, the stars are near. The dreamland train will reappear.
Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo choo. The tiny train. Choo choo. Chugs through sun and rain. Choo choo. The tiny train. Choo choo. Hauling treats from field and plain. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. The tiny train goes choo choo choo, bringing sweet oranges, fresh with dew. The tiny train goes choo choo choo, bringing sweet oranges, fresh with dew. Peeling oranges, choo choo choo, tasting sunshine, choo choo choo. A parrot squawks with happy delight. Now it feels super bright and light. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. The tiny train goes choo choo choo, bringing purple grapes, juicy too. The tiny train goes choo choo choo, bringing purple grapes, juicy too. Nibbling grapes, choo choo choo, making shapes, choo choo choo. A clever fox gives a playful grin. With fruity snacks, it's sure to win. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo choo goes the animal train, rolling through the sun and rain, bringing babies home to stay. Let's see who's on board today.
swings her trunk. She trumpets loud and gives a thunk. The jungle door is big and wide. She's home at last, she runs inside. A fly baby horse with hooves so neat clip-clops down the little street. She sees her stable, jumps with glee. Nay, nay, this is home for me. Baby zebra, black and white, wiggles her tail with pure delight. She hops off near the grassy view. Zigzag stripes, I'm home. Choo choo, the train rolls on once more with empty seats and open door. All the babies safe and warm, back to fields, jungle, and farm. Choo choo, the train rolls on once more with empty seats and open door. Choo choo, the train rolls on once more with empty seats and open door. All the babies safe and warm, back to fields, jungle, and farm. The bouncy little spider climbed up the garden wall, wiggled past a ladybug and did a tiny crawl. Then came the raindrops, clip, plop, plop, splish, and washed the spider down with the swoosh and swish. Whoosh! Woo! But out came the sun, so warm and bright and high. It dried up all the puddles with the golden sky. The bouncy little spider shook off the rain and climbed up laughing, up again. But out came the sun, so warm and bright and high. It dried up all the puddles with the golden sky. The bouncy little spider shook off the rain and climbed up laughing, up again. Toad, twinkle, twinkle, star so bright, shining in the sky tonight. Lily laughs and points up high, snowy waves up to the sky. Toad, twinkle, twinkle, don't you fall. We can see you big and small. From our garden in the night, you're our little glowing light. Snowy yawns and shuts his eyes while the stars dance in the skies. Lily sings a sleepy tune, wishing dreams come true real soon. Twinkle, twinkle up above, sending sparkles, light and love.